My retirement account at the start of 44 years old said zero. And now at 45 years old, I created a system to catch up, starting with just $3.33 per day. This is my exact 3-step orders of operation to build wealth starting from scratch. So step number 1 is to create the safety net. The safety net is your high yield savings accounts. This is where your emergency fund is going to be held. Now, here's the thing about an emergency fund. It should not be placed in a traditional bank because traditional banks only pay you 0.01 to 0.05% interest, whereas a high yield savings account can pay you anywhere between 3 and 5% interest. I told myself that I was going to save anywhere between $30,000 and $50,000 this year. So far, I've saved $10,000. My $10,000 that sits in SoFi Bank earns me 4.50% interest. I make anywhere between $30 and $37 per month in interest. And that money is now placed in my brokerage account. And I'm going to be explaining that in the next step. So the goal is to save money before you start investing, because the last thing that you want to do is to start investing, but in the back of your mind, you have no safety net. And so if an emergency happens, like a car repair or an emergency procedure, now you are stuck pulling money out of your investment account. That's not what we want, okay? You want to be able to invest with confidence, and the way that you do that is to create a safety net. Step number 2 is the retirement catch-up. Now, this is the fun part, but it's also the part where you need to make sure that you have multiple streams of income in order to 10x this next step. So what I did at the start of last year was I opened up 2 retirement accounts. Because I'm self-employed, I opened up a SEP IRA. Now, the SEP IRA allows you to contribute up to 25% of your annual income, or it is capped at $72,000 annually. My second retirement account is a Roth IRA. Now, you can put up to $7,500 per year in your Roth IRA. That's a lot of money when you really look at how much money you are able to put in if you are at the cap each year. Now, the reason why this is important is because these retirement accounts give you tax benefits that help your money grow faster. And so it's very important after you have your safety net, you are focused on maximizing your retirement account every single year. If you are starting over at the age of 40 plus, time is not on our side. You literally have 20 years to cap as much as possible. Now, the great thing is when you hit the age of 50, you get even more benefits as well. You can put a little bit more money into these retirement accounts. And so my personal goal right now is to see if I can cap each year in both of my accounts, my SEP IRA as well as my Roth IRA. Finally, step number 3 is the SoFi strategy. So this is where you can build wealth and you can actually access the wealth before the age of 65. So here is where the $3.33 per day live. So when I first started to put money into my high yield savings account, I came up with a number that works for me. I told myself that at a minimum, I need to be putting in my high yield savings account $100 per month, which equals $3.33 per day. Now, what happens is within my SoFi account, I have a brokerage account. Now, this is where I'm actually investing. And so I have my emergency fund, but I also put extra money inside my investments as well. And so this is going to be working for me while I sleep. Now, the key is every extra money that comes in, apart from the $100 a month, which is $3.33 per day in my savings, as well as the hundreds of dollars that I'm investing in my brokerage, every extra money that comes in, I'm putting it towards my brokerage account. I believe that this is very important because you want to be in the market. It's very important that you have the money working for you. I'm not trying to time the market. I'm just trying to be in the market for as long as I possibly can. And that is the thing that I missed in my 20s and 30s is being in the market, putting your money in there, even if it's a small amount, because compound interest is on your side. And so I want you to get in the habit of putting your money in the market automatically without having to think about it. And this is why it's very important for you to set up automations, because when those automations are not set up, guess what happens? You make excuses. You say, well, I need the money for this. I need the money for that. I'm telling you right now, set up automations, even if it's $20 a month, $50 a month, $100 a month, and then scale as your income grows. That is the way to do it. So let's talk about why this still works at 40 plus. I don't want you to think or have anybody tell you that it's too late, because the reality is it's not too late. Compound interest works at 40, it works at 50, it works at 60. It's going to work as long as you make the money work for you. And so your goal is, yeah, you don't have a lot of time. You have about 20 years of earning power, but that's still quite a lot of time, especially if you're maxing out every single year in your retirement and you're putting even more money into your brokerage accounts. So the goal right now is to get started with whatever amount of money you have. I think the thing that gets in the way is most people count themselves out once they hit 40. They say, you know what, it's too late. I'm just going to work a 9-to-5 forever, and I'm going to try to save whatever little money that I can save. But I'm telling you right now, the more you learn and the more you earn, the more you can put money aside that's going to actually work for you. Another thing that is great is once you hit the age of 50, you actually get catch-up contributions that actually work in your favor. So you get to put a little bit more money aside in your retirement accounts. Again, this is extra money that's going to be working for you. I'm no longer waiting until I'm debt-free. I used to tell myself that, okay, I cannot start investing, I cannot start saving until I pay off my debt, but that is no longer the case. Right now, I'm doing both. I have increased my credit score. I have paid off $11,500 in debt. I have saved money in my high yield savings account. I have started to invest, and I've started to put away money in my retirement account. I'm doing it all. And that is the strategy that works for me. I've given you the 3 steps. You can do it exactly as I've done it, or you can tweak it to match whatever works for you. But the idea and the goal of today's video is to get you started. You need to start. If you're watching this video right now and there's something stirring up inside of you that's telling you, you know what, this was my confirmation, this is the message for me, I'm in my late 30s, or I'm about to turn 40, or I'm in my 40s or 50s, and I haven't done what I needed to do to prepare myself for retirement, this message is for you. I want you to really start thinking about the next step. Open up your high yield savings account today. I'm going to be putting a link in my description if you would like to open up an account with SoFi. Right now, they're giving 4.5% interest, which is really high if you do direct deposit, or you can pay the $10 a month fee, or you can just set it up and you get the 3.01% interest, which is still a great deal. Do that today if you have not done that. If you have not opened up your retirement accounts, or if you have not contributed to it, I need you to start setting up automations and get started today. If you have not started your debt repayment process, come up with a plan. Maybe you start with $10 a month, $20. I think we count ourselves out when we say, I don't have enough money to get started. Yeah, you do. If you have $1, you have enough money. Doesn't matter how much money you put towards it. The key is to get started, because once you get started, that's when the plan starts to come into place. When you don't start, you stay stuck. When you start, you'll start to see that money starts to be attracted to you, and you start to figure out ways to tweak things and really get your money working for you in the best way possible. And that's why I say start with any amount of money, because it's the not starting that keeps people stuck, and it's the starting that actually breaks free and gets people closer towards that financial freedom. The biggest challenge for me, I believe, has not been the lack of balance in my account. It's that feeling in my chest, the feeling that I know that there's something more that I need to be doing. And the moment that I created a system and I put it into place, the moment that feeling, that pressure has gone away. And that is why I'm really trying to encourage you all, if you have not started, to get started today. If you're over the age of 40, I really hope that this video resonated with you, because it's not too late for us. We still have enough time. The key is to get started today. If you want to see the 5 mindset shifts that helped me get out of that broke mindset, I want you to watch the next video. If you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you. My name is Dupé Aleru, and this is your daily dose with Dupé. Feel free to comment below. Let me know which step that you are on. Let me know your journey as you are setting yourself up for retirement in the next 10 to 20 years. I want to know. I personally am trying to retire by the age of 55. We'll see if I can get there. But I think what's more important is I put my plan into action. And that, my friend, is the key. Until next time, I want to wish each and every one of you a beautiful and blessed day.